How to enable developer mode on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down at the end. If you can't find the developer option, tap on About Phone. Now tap on Software Information. Here you can see the build number option. Tap on build number 7 times. Now unlock your device. You can see developer mode has been enabled on your device. Now again swipe down notification panel, tap on settings. Now scroll down. At the end you can see the developer option enabled on your Samsung device. Tap on it. Here you can see list of important developer settings like memory usage by apps, OEM unlocking to allow the bootloader to unlock your device, auto update system. You can also see USB debug mode. Toggle on it to enable USB debugging on your Samsung device. So you can see list of different hidden developer option using this Samsung A55 device. That's it. Like it, share it.